Our galaxy, the Milky Way. Today we'll know about the Milky Way. The Milky Way galaxy spans about 5 to 10,000 light years going around us. Although these are part of the Milky Way, you can also see the Andromeda galaxy on a clean night, which is about 2,500,000 light years away from us. The Milky Way you see is so large that it will take about 100,000 years to go from one end to another. And this spiral that you see is called its spiral arm. There are 4 main spiral arms of this galaxy, whose names are as follows: Norma arm, Sagittarius arm, Scutum Centaurus arm, and the Perseus arm. And we live in a minor arm called the Orion arm. The Orion arm is not the main arm and is much smaller than the 4 major arms. Even a part of the solar system is not visible here. If you want to get out of the Orion's arm, then in the speed of light, it will take you about 1,000 to 1,500 years. And it will take you 3,500 years to go from one end of the Orion's arm to the other end at the speed of light. The distance from Earth to the center of the Milky Way is approximately 25,000 to 27,000 light-years. You have to cross the 3 arms to reach the galactic center, and then you will reach the center of the Milky Way. There's also a big black hole in the center named Sagittarius A. This black hole is about 4 million times more massive than our Sun. The Milky Way galaxy is a disk in shape with a diameter of 1 million to 1,200,000 light-years and a thickness of about 1,000 light-years. But it does not have a definite boundary in some places, and its thickness is even 10,000 light-years. According to an estimate, the Milky Way was born 13.5 billion years ago. Our Earth and our solar system are orbiting the center of the Milky Way with a speed of about 828,000 kilometers per hour. But it takes 220 million years for our solar system to complete one rotation around the center of the Milky Way. Moreover, our Milky Way galaxy is rotating on its axis. According to scientists, the entire Milky Way is revolving around a black hole. Not only the Milky Way, but all the bodies of the universe are spinning. About 80% of the galaxies in this universe are spiral-shaped, although the reason for such a shape is not known. It probably depends on the velocity of rotation of the galaxy and the formation of the stars in it. The number of density of stars near the center of our Milky Way is much higher than outside the center. There's also a group of stars in our Milky Way which is called a constellation. So far, 88 constellations have been officially detected. Similarly, the Milky Way galaxy is estimated to have 150 billion to 250 billion stars and about 40 billion planets. You'll be surprised to know that there are 2 satellite galaxies that are orbiting around the Milky Way and are very close to it. These are called megalic clouds. There are 2 neighboring dwarf galaxies of irregular shape adjacent to the Milky Way. One is named Large Megalic Cloud, and the other is named Small Megalic Cloud. In short, they're called LMC and SMC. LMC is 160,000 light-years away from Earth, whereas SMC is 180,000 light-years away. Both can be seen with the naked eye in the southern hemisphere. The LMC is the 3rd closest galaxy to the Milky Way. The mass of this galaxy is about 10 billion times more than that of our Sun. The diameter of this galaxy is 1,400,000 light-years. This galaxy is located in the Dorado Venture constellation. According to an estimate, a large number of new stars are being formed in it. The Tarantula Nebula is located in this galaxy. The diameter of this galaxy is 7,000 light-years. According to scientists, millions of years ago, the SMC became out of shape due to the gravitational upheaval force. There are estimated to be about 100 billion galaxies in the observable universe. Our galaxy is in a small galaxy cluster called the Local Group. There are 36 galaxies in the Local Group, including the Milky Way. The Milky Way is one of the larger galaxies. This local group is at the edge of a supercluster. A supercluster is a larger group of smaller galaxy clusters, and it's one of the largest known structures in the universe. The Milky Way local group is part of the galaxy group, which is part of the Laniakea or supercluster. The Laniakea supercluster contains about 100,000 galaxies, spread over 520 million light-years away. This is all about today's video. Please like, share, and comment your views. Thank you for watching.